This is worksheet number 15, which starts with a review of the question that we asked at the end of worksheet number 14. Worksheet number 14, we asked a question from a brisa that proved Rav Zvid's halacha, that a shoel only gets the kefel if he actually pays. We brought a brisa that proved that. And we asked the question on the third case of Rav Papa. The third case of Rav Papa was a borrower who just says, "Behold, I will pay." The first version held he does not get the kefel, and the second version held that he does get the kefel. So, according to the first version, Lilishna Kama, to Rav Papa, according to the first version of Rav Papa, that holds that a borrower who says, "Behold, I will pay," does not get the kefel, Vaday lo havya tiyuvta. Surely there is no challenge from the brisa which says that the shoel does get the kefel if he actually pays. Why is there no challenge? Because although the brisa says he gets the kefel, remember the case of the brisa is where Kidem HaShoel V'Shilem, he actually came forth and he paid for the cow that was stolen. Whereas the first version of Rav Papa's case, a shoel who only says, "Behold, I will pay," the first version holds he does not get the kefel. There's no challenge on that from the brisa. I'll tell you why he doesn't get the kefel. It's because he only said he would pay. The brisa says he gets the kefel because he actually paid. So that's not a challenge. Lilishna Basra, but according to the second version of Rav Papa, Lema Tehaveh Tiyuvta. Let us say that there is a challenge from the brisa. The brisa says that a borrower who actually pays gets the kefel. But the second version of Rav Papa holds that a borrower who only says that he's going to pay also gets the kefel. How could that be? The brisa says you only get the kefel if you actually pay. How could Rav Papa's second version say that a shoel gets the kefel even if he only says he's going to pay? So comes along Rav Papa and he's going to give an answer. Amar lecha Rav Papa. Rav Papa would say to you, Mi alima mi masnisin? Is this brisa any stronger than our Mishnah? If you look at our Mishnah, the regular case of our Mishnah, if you go way, way back, is a shomer that was watching behema o kalim, an animal or vessels, and it was stolen or lost. The first case was shilem v'lo ratza lishava. If he paid and he didn't want to swear, so then he gets the kefel. Says the Gemara, diktani shilem. It says he paid in our Mishnah. The first case was shilem v'lo ratza lishava. If he paid and he didn't want to swear. Ve'ukimna ba'amar. But we established that as he said. If you remember going back to worksheet number 9, we had Rab Chia bar Abba in the name of Rabbi Yochanan, who said, Lo shilem shilem mamish. When the Mishnah said shilem v'lo ratza lishava, it didn't actually mean that he paid. It meant that he said he would pay. So you see that any time it says paid, we don't have to assume it for sure means he for sure paid. Maybe it means he said he would pay. So since we see we could do that with the Mishnah, would our brisa over here that proved Rav Zvid, would that brisa be any stronger than the Mishnah? Hachanami ba'amar. Here also we can say that the shoel said he would pay. So when the brisa says that the shoel borrowed a cow from his friend and then it was stolen, and then it says v'kidem hashoel v'shilem, that the borrower came and paid, we can explain that to mean not that he actually paid, but that he said he would pay. And then the fact that the halacha is that he gets the kefel is not a challenge to the case of Rav Papa in the second version, where also the case was he said he would pay, and also the halacha was that he gets the kefel. That's okay, because the brisa also can be talking about a case where he said he would pay and not that he actually paid.